Hi student, architecture 110. This is the review for final. You know that the final will be May 16, so that's why I will post the final around May 9, so you have more time to do the final. This is just review for final, so basically it's similar with quiz number 1, 2, 3. However, the final will be longer, and this is just example for some of the review for architecture 110. The review one, the finals will be longer and maybe double from this one, so I just show for you the review one, so you know that the final exactly like the quiz before, just longer, more question. And especially in the final, I don't ask you to do for the textbook question. So all of the question I review from quiz 1, 2, 3, and the new few question new from the last chapters. So that's why this is review for how final will be. About fill in the blank, I will ask you similar like before you did for quiz 1, 2, 3, and the final with the fill in the blank similar like that. I have 25 questions for fill in the blank. After that, I have true and false question. I have more than 40 questions for true and false, but I show you right here for review around 20 of them. Of course, on the final we have more than that. And true false one more time, I need you to read the statement and put T stand for true and F stand for false. Don't write the letter between T and F, because if I cannot read clear T or F, I will not create for you that sentence. So that's why either T stand for true or F stand for false, and write on this one. Okay. After that, we have multiple choice question, and multiple choice question on this time not like the quiz. I just ask randomly on the question from quiz 1, 2, 3 and the new question. I not ask you about the question answer on the textbook, so that's why you don't need to use the textbook for the final for this case. So all of the multiple choice question is look like this. You select the best answer and circle for this one. For example, this sentence you select A and you just circle right here, A only. Or you select, for example, number 8 question, if you select like the large from B, just circle B right here for me. That's it. So basically this is the review for some of the question I will ask on the final, but the real final will be next week. I will post maybe next week, and you see that it's longer, more question on multiple choice, more question on the true false, and more question on the fill in the blank. So this is just the review for final, not the final. Okay, review final. So this is just review for you can see that the final will be like that, but it's longer. So now I just give you some question you can look at before you start with the final. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you for the final.